A watershed is an area of land that drains creeks and rainfall into a shared outlet, such as a lake, river, or the ocean. Watersheds also connect habitats. Together, their health is essential for a thriving environment. Watersheds are sources for clean drinking water, irrigation, and protection from flooding, as well as water and habitat for wildlife. When sources of water are unhealthy, forests and wildlife in the watershed are at risk. Despite their importance, many watersheds are negatively impacted by human modifications, especially dams. Let's consider the San Vicente Creek watershed, which is found in Davenport, California. San Vicente and its largest tributary, Mill Creek, have some unique characteristics. An underground network of sinkholes and caves provides the creek with a steady flow of cold water all year long. This particular creek flows into the Pacific Ocean, making it a critical habitat for migratory fish species such as cohosalmon and steelhead trout who use it to spawn. A dam blocked the natural flow of the creek, which caused changes downstream, making it ill-suited for salmon to spawn for more than a century. When the dam was removed in 2021, the natural flow of water was restored. The dam also trapped important granite sediment that will now revive salmon spawning beds throughout the watershed for decades to come. This will not only improve the spawning habitat for fish, but will also improve habitat diversity, provide nutrients for nearby forests, and keep clean water flowing. Restoring watersheds ensures land and water habitats prosper for future generations of species to thrive and protects sources of drinking water.